Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Mr. Spock from Star Trek. So feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. Alright, so I'm going to start our drawing by taking a black marker, and you don't have to use a black marker, you can use a pencil if you want, it's all up to you. And I'm going to start by drawing a straight line. Just a little straight line. This is going to be his bangs. He's got real straight bangs. And then we're going to come on down a little bit. And I'm going to come on down a little bit more. And then I'm going to do his ear. So it looks pretty silly so far. But now I'm going to come on down a little bit more. Curve in. Okay. Now I'm going to come from behind the ear here. And we're going to do the top of his head. Nice round top of his head. It's going to connect there with the bangs. Okay, now I'm going to make a little teeny tiny line like that in the ear. And then come on down. And then go this way. And then down like that. And then inside, I'm going to go whoop, just like a little curve. So that's all the inside parts of the ear that we can see on Mr. Spock. Alright, so his face is kind of a long shape. So we're going to bring it down a little bit. And we're going to bring it all the way up here. Now, I'm going to give him a little line there and come on down. So that's his ear on the other side. And then put a little line there. Okay, so he's got eyebrows that are pointing real down. So it kind of looks like he's mad, but he's not going to be mad right now. So I'm going to do eyebrow pointing down, now another eyebrow pointing down. Okay, now I'm going to do straight line, a straight line on the other side, and then I'm going to do half a circle, color it in, and now another half a circle on this side and color that in. So now we got his eyes. I'm going to give him a little nose, and he's not going to be smiling. He doesn't do a whole lot of smiling, so I'm pretty much just going to do a straight line. Like that. Alright, and now I'm going to color in his hair. You don't have to do this part right now if you don't want to. You can wait till the end. But I'm just coloring it in right now because I'm using a black marker, so why not? Okay. Now I'm going to do a little tiny line here and make a curved line here. So that's part of his neck here, and then the collar of his shirt. And it's going to be kind of rounded, and I'm going to color that in black too. Alright, now I'm going to give him shoulder, a little bit of a shoulder here, a little bit of a shoulder on the other side, and line down here, and we're going to curve, straight line there. Okay, now I'm going to come on down from this shoulder and then come on down again and make a curve there for his sleeve. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, 2. So he's got 2 stripes there on the collar of his not the collar of his shirt, on the sleeve of his shirt. Alright, so now I'm going to do a little bit of a curved line here, and it's going to come on down, and then we're coming on down here, and we're curving in a little bit, and we got his little elbow there. And now his shoulder is going to come on down and match up with the elbow area. Okay, so now we're going to do the lines on the shirt sleeve. Okay, so he's got two stripes. So we made 4 lines. Okay, so now we're going to do the live long and prosper thing. So I'm going to come on up, do the little palm of his hand, and then I'm coming out and doing one finger, then another one. Okay, so far it looks a little silly. Now we're coming on up, we made a V here, and then we're doing another finger in here. And now we need to put a thumb here, so doing a little line like that, kind of a curved one. And we're coming out, we got a thumb, we're coming on in. Okay, so we got our live long and prosper. Okay, and now this hand is just going to be down here by side. So we got a thumb, and now the rest of his hand. Now he needs his little symbol here, so we're making like a top of a triangle, but this side comes down a little bit further, and then it curves up, and then there we go. Okay, he also needs pants. So I'm going to do a line down here. It's kind of a curved line, and doing a little line like that. It's not totally straight. And then we're coming up here. And then from there, we're doing a straight line down. And then a bit of a curve here for the cuff of his pants. And then we're coming down the leg and matching up there to the bottom. Okay, now he needs shoes. So we got a little hill here. Okay, and just making like a little oval shape. So we got his 2 shoes. Okay, I think he looks super cute. Now I'm gonna color everything in. Oh, I didn't even realize I already colored in the collar spot. But I'm gonna color in his pants. I'm gonna color those black. You don't need very many colors for Mr. Spock. You need a black, and he's got a really light skin tone. So you can use the lightest skin tone color you have. And then he needs a blue for his shirt. And he also needs a yellow color for the symbol on his shirt and the stripes on the sleeve cuffs. I'm also going to do his shoes black. Okay. Now I'm done with my black, and I'm going to use the yellow. So we've got our little symbol and these stripes. All right, now I'm going to do his skin color. So this is just a really light color. This is actually called silk. So very light skin color. But I mean, you don't have to use this color. You don't have to use the exact colors I'm using. You can use whatever you want. Who knows, maybe your Mr. Spock has a very dark tan. It's all up to you. And his hand. And the other hand. And now time for the blue shirt. We're almost done. Also, folks, be sure to let me know in the comments below if you are a Star Trek fan. And I'm drawing Mr. Spock today because it was suggested by one of our awesome subscribers. So thank you so much for the suggestion. So feel free to let me know in the comments below what you would like to see me draw next, what you would like to learn how to draw next. I love hearing your suggestions. All right, there we go. We are done our Mr. Spock. So folks, I hope you had fun drawing today. I hope you have a really, really good day. And I hope to see you here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, bye. Live long and prosper.